Hi there, welcome to Bloody Knuckles Garage. Today we're going to be working on a 2014 Jetta. It has intermittent starting issues. Sometimes it starts, sometimes it doesn't. There she is. One thing about these cars, a lot of Torx bolts for some reason. But we're going to be doing the fuel pump today and the fuel vapor check valve. So let's take a look, see what happens. Most of the time when you're dealing with a fuel pump, it'll be accessible under the back seat. So I'm kind of hoping that's the case here. Otherwise, we gotta drop the tank, and that's not really something I really want to do today. But let's see. So for these back seats, if you feel around, you'll feel kind of a spot where it's stuck, and you just want to pull up on it. It's all floppy. Okay, I'm gonna get this side here. Oh, there. All right. Push in and up. Is that one coming out? Almost. Okay. And I guess on this one, push in and up. And the back seat reveals. Oh, an access panel. Thank God. Okay. Well, let's get this baby off. Okay. Okay, we got our wiring harness clipped in over here. Just take that out. This big old rubber seal. Don't scratch the paint, but just get a little bit of a pry edge in there and it should just pop up there. Oh, there's one. There. So far, so good. Oh, God. I'm just getting over a cold, so this is a lot of fun. But pretty warm today for November. Okay, now there's a wiring harness here. There's a tab. Looks like you gotta wiggle the tab up. Ooh, okay, that's a good start. Lift the tab up, push down on it, squeeze the tab in, and lift up. That should take care of the wiring. Okay, next will be these send and return fuel lines. There's a little bit of a spot that doesn't look like the other spots here, so we're just going to push that in. Wiggle straight up, like so. And then the other side, you don't want to mix up which is which either, by the way. This would be a big no-no. Push this in here. Where is it? Whoop, there it goes. Okay, there's the send return lines off. Now there's a metal ring here that goes around the outside. We're gonna have to, there's a little tab here. We're gonna use that tab, we're gonna turn the ring. There it goes. Pop. Hoping this thing doesn't have a full tank of gas, because that would be a giant pain in the butt. Now the messy part. I'm just going to use a bucket. Now, this is going to have an arm on it with a floaty thing. That's to tell your car how much gas is in here for your gauge. Oh yeah, of course there's gas. Tons of gas in here. Where the hell's the float in this thing? There it is. Okay, there's a rubber seal around it. The new kit comes with one, but make sure to keep it just in case. Oh. Oh, spilling gas everywhere. Ah. Okay, in the bucket. Okay, now the new fuel pump, with all these yellow tags all over it. Remove before use and that kind of stuff. I have to take those off. Looks about the same as the old one, so that's a good sign. It's also got the float here. So it's probably just going to go in here like this. There's a hole here. Nothing that grabs onto it. Snap in there? It should snap in there. Pretty sure. Ooh, there it goes. Alright, let's see how much gas is in there. Okay, now we just gotta drop it in there. Ooh, smells like gas. Weird. Okay. First thing we need to do is install the rubber seal. So we're gonna clean off some of this around the edge here. Oh, just lost my, just because it's a bit dirty, don't want any of that to fall into the tank. Get on there, shoes. In retrospect, it's probably a good idea to clean this before you take it all apart. It didn't look that dirty at the time, but it is, and I don't want any of that getting in the gas. Okay. Here's our new seal. We'll just put that around the edge here. Assuming that it actually fits. Yep, looks good. Okay. We can drop in the new fuel pump, angle it so the arm goes in first, and you just kind of drop it in like that. There's a wide section here and 2 tabs, so that's to line it up, so you know you're in the right position. I guess you gotta put this on now too, eh? Get these bloody lines out of the way. Ooh, come on. Come on, work with me. Alright. Line this up with the little hook thingies so it'll catch when we turn it. Get out of the way. Like that. Okay. Tap on the guide so it locks back in place. Ah, yeah. Okay, now just push on your fuel lines like such. All right. Reattach the wire harness. There. Just push down. Push down. Push the red tab back down. And then last but not least, actually, kind of least. How the hell is this thing going? I think it just kind of, let me see here. Looks like, just kind of I'll give her one of these. Oh. There. All right. Reattach our wiring harness. Oh God. To this hole here. Push it down. Okay. Looking good. All done. All right, let's get the back seat back in and check on that fuel vapor check valve thing. Ah, my freaking hand hurts. Okay. Let's see here. Get in there, you bugger. Hola, Sibelta, ¿estás aquí? Get in there. Hook in place. Yep, okay. And all right. Well, if you've made it this far, congratulations. You've just saved yourself $400 in labor. Next, we're going to track down this little guy. It does have to do with fuel. So, that's probably a return. There's the injectors under the intake. Follow it around. Oh. Let me see. Yeah, that looks right. Okay, looks like we're taking that guy off next. Kind of. Oh, it's a rubber grommet. Okay, well, let's take out this rubber grommet here because it's not on the new one. I'll just kind of. Just slide that into the... Oh, it does have one. Well, never mind. Okay, I guess I'll just come back to that, whatever's going on with that bloody thing. Let's take out this, I guess, next here. Okay, good. This is what I'm talking about. What's wrong with the normal clip? What the hell is this thing? Looks like I need a special tool. This side, other side's all mangled now because it was already half mangled. Looks like someone else already tried this before I came in here. Didn't have the right tool to take these off with. Alright, I ain't got all day. Looks like there's lots of slack on here anyway, so cover it up. If anything flies out. Nope. Oh, look, it disconnected. Magic. Oh, look, we got the clips off. Amazing. Looks like the spring clips might work. I just have to hit them with my purse before we set them in place. Now, the new component's dry. You can always spit on it, I guess, if you got no other way to do it. Use a little silicone spray. Spray a little on the ends here. It'll save you a lot of cursing and swearing, having to fudge around with... Oh my god, now these spring clips are acting up again. Get down there. Alright, let's get this in here first. Oh, now I'm going to have to replace the fuel line because it's not long enough to get in the grommet spot. Oh, well that's annoying. Okay, other side. Get it around there. Well, the original clips are back on there, but I'm going to have to go back in here and replace this fuel line. because I'm impatient. All right. Well, let's at least plug this in, start it up, see what happens. All right. It's running. Win. I gotta go fix that fuel line next. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope you found it useful. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Got new videos coming out all the time. See you in the next one.